हेलो पेरेंट्स। एज ए पेरेंट्स हम सभी ये सोचते हैं अपने बच्चों को बेस्ट मिले, बेस्ट शूज, बेस्ट कपड़े, तो फिर बेस्ट एजुकेशन क्यों नहीं। बेस्ट एजुकेशन के लिए आइए थार अकेडमी। थार अकेडमी not only works to educate children but also develop their skills.
A for apple, B for ball, C for the, D for dog.
In today's time, computer skill and computer knowledge is very necessary for children. Here, children are made to do digital smart work along with technology. So hurry up, new session is starting from 3rd April. Admission is open. Thar Academy Toparia near Toll Plaza. Contact number 9414503458. Thank you.